In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits in Lovable AI. Free and paid options explained. 2025. Let's start right at the beginning so you know exactly where to go. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and press enter. From the results, click the official Lovable website to get to the home page and access your account and dashboard. Now here's how credits work on the free plan. You receive 5 daily credits, and any credits you don't use that day do not roll over to the next day. Per the notes, that amounts to a maximum of 30 free credits per month. The free plan is great for experimenting, making small tweaks, and testing features. It's handy when you're learning the tool or validating an idea, but it's not designed for production scale building or sustained high-volume use. If you find yourself hitting the ceiling and need more, you'll want to look at paid plans. The Pro plan is the least expensive paid option. It gives you a monthly allocation of credits based on your tier, plus an additional 5 daily credits, up to a total cap. One big advantage of paid plans is rollover for unused monthly credits, as long as your subscription stays active. If you need a short-term boost mid-month, the official path is to upgrade to a higher credit plan. There isn't a single purchase top-up option. Next is the business plan. This mirrors the Pro plan's credit model with 100 monthly credits plus 5 daily credits, and those monthly credits roll over while your subscription remains active. Where business stands out is in team and enterprise-oriented features. Single sign-on, data privacy controls including the ability to opt out of data training, and expanded project and templating capabilities. It's a solid choice for teams or small businesses that need collaboration and governance. For larger organizations, the enterprise plan is custom and negotiated. It's designed for scale, with dedicated support, custom integrations, flexible usage and credit limits, and advanced governance and design system support. If your organization has specific compliance or workflow needs, this route gives you the most control. To wrap up, use the free plan if your needs are occasional or light. For regular development or app-scale work, choose a paid plan like Pro or higher to get monthly credits, daily credits, and rollover. And if you only need temporary extra credits mid-month, upgrade to a higher credit tier since one-off top-ups aren't available. That's how to get more credits in Lovable AI in 2025.